Let me tell you why nail extension will never be out of style. Did you know that your hands are your biggest asset to your body? And some of y'all ladies take it for granted. And let me give you an example. As you age, you appreciate your hand more. When you were younger, you don't appreciate your hand because all your other body parts are looking fresh and fine. So you tell yourself, nobody's gonna notice your hand. Nobody's gonna care. So you just let your hand roam free. You didn't do anything to it. You start digging grass. You start picking your nose, scratching ass, and then you do all kind of stuff. You play sports, and then you get into fight, and the next thing you know, years gone by, you look at your hand, you say, I don't know why is it so veiny. I don't know why my knuckles are swollen. I don't know why my fingers are crooked. My nails are tilted. And it's kind of sad for some of y'all clients out there. Y'all walk around with man hand. And y'all don't like that. And that's why y'all get the acrylic done. That's why I love my job, y'all, because I know none of y'all ladies want to walk around with man hand. That's why I take my time. I want to make sure I do so good that when you walk around, you can feel nice about your hand. You can feel like you can present. And from far, they won't mistake you for a man by looking at your hand.